My name is Eve. I am 50 years old now, and this is not just a story of marriage. This is a hard story, a story of choices, a story of how greed can wear a beautiful mask, a story of how the heart cannot be fooled for long. When I was 21, I believed I was stepping into a dream. Now, 3 decades later, I sit in a quiet house, my children grown, my husband always away, my face lined with years. I have silver, I have gold, I have houses and fine clothes, but my hands feel empty. Life is a stage. Every person is both actor and audience. Some act with truth, some with lies. I acted with silence, and today I want to tell you how that silence broke me. The golden cage. At 21, my parents told me, Eve, you will marry Cameron. Cameron was older, handsome, and very rich. Cars, houses, land, everything. My family believed I was lucky. I told myself I was lucky too. But inside, I wanted love. I wanted laughter. I wanted a man who would look into my eyes and see me. The wedding was grand. People clapped. Music filled the air. I wore gold from head to toe. Everyone whispered, "What a perfect match!" But on the wedding night, Cameron spoke of business, not of me. He told me his travel schedule before he told me he loved me. I lay in a bed of silk and already felt alone. The shimmer fades. At first, I tried. I cooked for him, waited for him, dressed like the perfect wife. But he was always away. Business trips, meetings, dinners with strangers. Soon people began to whisper again, not what a perfect match, but does he even care for her? One night, I found a letter in his study, a woman's handwriting, sweet words, soft promises. My hands shook as I read it. I felt sick. Was he unfaithful? Or was I only imagining, desperate for any sign that he saw me? I never asked him. I was afraid that the truth would break the only image I had left, the image of being the lucky wife. But the truth was already breaking me. Years passed. My children grew. They had fine clothes, fine schools, but I was not close to them. Cameron raised them with money. I tried to raise them with love, but I was always tired, always sad. I was in the house, but I was not present. At dinners, Cameron sat at the head of the table, talking about markets, not memories. My children listened more to him than me. Slowly, I felt invisible in my own family. The empty throne. Now I am 50. The children are grown. They live far away, busy with their own lives. Cameron still travels, still chases money. The house is quiet, too quiet. Sometimes I walk into the dining hall. The table is long, but only one plate sits there. Mine. I eat in silence, surrounded by silver and gold. I think of the girl I was, the girl who wanted love but stayed silent. I traded my heart for comfort, and comfort betrayed me. The suspense is gone now. The truth is simple, sharp, and heavy. I have everything and nothing. Money can buy clothes, food, and a roof, but money cannot buy warmth, laughter, or true closeness. I tell this story not for pity, but for truth. If you are young, do not do as I did. Do not sell your soul for silver. Do not marry gold and forget love. Because one day you will wake up like me in a fine house with an empty heart. And that silence will be louder than any applause.